Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about one of the reasons that why we can't speak well is because we have weak ears. We have to improve our ears by listening to the podcasts. Podcasts one of the way that we can improve our listening skills. So if you want to listen to the podcast in a practical way, watch this video till end. As a first step, you have to know your current level in that language, because if you choose a podcast that is not matches with your level and it's higher than your level, you'll find it so hard and you're going to quit listen to the podcast. And also, if you choose an easier one, you feel you'll know everything, again, you're going to quit listen to the podcast. So know your current level and choose a podcast that is matched with that. For the second step, you have to choose a subject that you are interested in. Choose a subject that you like it. Don't choose a podcast because others always say, okay, this podcast is so interesting. No, choose it because you really like it. We are here to make an easy process of learning a new language. Don't make it hard for yourself. Choose a podcast that is recorded by native people. No one in this world doesn't have a great accent like a native people. For achieving a good accent, only a native person can help you. Choose a podcast with a transcription. Transcriptions are so important because these are the things that help you to make sure what you heard correctly and what you didn't. In the first step of listening to the podcast, just listen and don't read the transcription. We want to test our ears, so close your eyes and only listen. And after that, write down everything that you understand of it. In the second step, you have to listen to the podcast sentence by sentence and repeat each sentence. It is not important we repeat correct or not. The important point is repetition. The repetition is more important than correct repetition. In the third step, you can read the transcription while you are listening to the podcast for the third time. Now you can correct your mistakes and find out everything like new words, new expressions, and grammar rules, and you can take notes for yourself. Now is the time to listen to the podcast for the last time. In this step, you can understand, wow, I can understand everything because you find out everything. You find out grammar rules, you find out new words, new expression, everything that you needed, and you learn them and you memorize them. And the last time you can see, surprisingly, you can understand everything that you didn't understand it as the first time. Now this video is finished. If you enjoy it, please like this video, subscribe my channel, and share my video on my channel with everyone that you think maybe they need me. And don't forget, I always need your help for more videos. Bye bye!